Hello, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's video, we will be unfolding the mysteries of supply chain management. We'll delve into what it entails, its various components, and the importance of making smart, data-driven decisions. By the end of this episode, you'll have a greater understanding of how to manage the flow of products, information, and money efficiently and effectively. So let's dive right in. But what exactly is supply chain management? It's the entire process that directs how goods, services, information, and money move from the initial order of a product or service to its final delivery to the customer. According to our friends over at Investopedia.com, supply chains include everything from production to the final product, as well as the information systems needed to manage these processes. Over the last several years, a multitude of new technologies have been developed to improve the supply chain's efficiency and effectiveness across nearly all industries. At its core, supply chain management is about making smart, data-driven decisions throughout the production process. Strategic decisions might involve figuring out where inventory should be located and how it's transported. Tactical decisions look at what the production line might need in terms of inventory for the next week and forecasting for the near future. And then there are operational decisions, which involve the day-to-day management of people and processes to get the current work finished. Now let's talk about flow. One significant component of good supply chain management is understanding, tracking, and managing the flow of various parts of the system. You need to keep an eye on the flow of raw materials into your facility and through your production line. But remember, product flow doesn't end with final delivery. It must also take into account damaged products or other items that are returned from customers and how those are reintegrated into the inventory. But product flow is just one piece of the puzzle. You also have to manage all the information flow of the material orders, delivery updates, delay notifications, and other data when not only managing the raw materials coming into your facility, but also on the final products going out of your plant. And last, but definitely not least, the final component of supply chain management flow has to do with money. Data such as credit and payment terms, invoice schedules, transfer of ownership, and payment status must be managed through a supply chain management computer system such as a CMMS. So there you have it, a quick but comprehensive look at supply chain management. Remember, it's all about making smart decisions, managing the flow of products, information, and money, and leveraging technology to make the process as efficient and effective as possible. Thank you for watching this episode of the UpKeep video series. We've covered the key components of supply chain management, including the importance of making smart, data-driven decisions, managing the flow of products, information, and money, and the role of technology in improving efficiency and effectiveness. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your team be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com.